Mein Name ist Animesh und ich komme ursprünglich aus Indien und lebe seit 4 Jahren in Deutschland. Ich habe meinen Masters in Technical Universität of München im Verkehrssystem abgeschlossen. Und jetzt, derzeit arbeite ich Vollzeit als Ingenieur für Eisenbahnplanung und Design in Hamburg.
Can you tell us a bit more about how was your German before we have joined this course and how is that now? Where was your confidence before and how is it now when you try to speak and use the language in your daily life?
Okay, so talking about myself, before joining this course, I had really low confidence in speaking. Also, when I was doing my masters, I did my I think A1 from my university, but the it was kind of conventional class, so I did not get much benefit from that course. But after joining this course, I had really good experience, and I would say it changed me a lot in my language journey. Uh, and now I can use German in daily, like day-to-day life. And I would say the course is very unique and it focuses mainly on speaking, but yeah, you will not feel like the grammar part or the other parts are left out. It's kind of balanced, but yeah, in the classes which happen every week, so in those classes, it mainly focuses on speaking, and which I feel is very important for a person who wants to learn a new language. And I think the course is very practical and effective. The coaches are very supportive and they are available all the time. Whenever I needed some help, I just typed in the WhatsApp group and they helped me every time. And they always motivates alongside the normal teaching part. So for me, it was really something which motivated me a lot, because if someone give you some like good words motivates you, then it makes you feel better. Whenever like it's a long journey to learn a language, and if like after times you need some motivation to get going and all. So yeah, also earlier I would say my speaking was not that good, but now after this course, I have completed this course, and now I can say I can talk like a normal thing, like a normal way in supermarkets, and like ordering food in restaurants, or like in my professional settings. Earlier, I used to ask the person, "Können Sie bitte Englisch sprechen?"
Yeah.
But now I think I can handle those situations far better than before. So yeah, I'd say this course has uh, changed my approach towards the language, and I have learned a lot from this
Perfect.
course.
I'm really happy to hear that, Animesh. And of course, you have finished our starter course. That's the most beginner course that we have. It's
Mhm.
pretty much we have went up to B1 levels. Of course, you can use the German for day-to-day life and also when is that needed, even in office environment with your colleagues. And is there anything like to say to someone who would consider join this course? Let's say that he's on the call, like me and you did first time on the qualification call, and need to make a decision, okay, should I join this course or not?
Definitely yes. And I think it like the course is very unique, to be honest. It focuses mainly on those parts which are really necessary for us to speak a language. And I would say, yeah, like I would definitely recommend my friends or the people to join this course because in this, like the course, the duration is very short. And in this short duration, you need to be very consistent. And with this consistency, which this course follows, you can definitely speak German in a more confident way. And yeah, I would say yes.